Ground Zero Series, Chapter 10, Human Body, Part 3. This is my leg, my leg, leg, leg. This is my thigh, 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 leg. This is my knee, 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 thigh, leg. This is my shin, 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 knee, thigh, leg. This is my calf, 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 shin, knee, thigh, leg. That is my foot. Come on. This is my foot, foot, foot. This is my ankle, 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 foot, ankle. This is my heel, my heel, heel, ankle, foot. This is my hand. This is my finger. This is my foot. This is my toe, 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 toe. My toes, my fingers, my toes, toes, toe, toe, foot, ankle, heel, calf, shin, knee, thigh, leg. Say the words. Thigh, thigh, knee, knee, shin, shin, calf, calf, foot, foot, ankle, ankle, heel, heel, toe, toe, toes, toes, leg, leg. Thanks for watching and practice.